Hello, and thank you for purchasing the Employee KPI Dashboard and Performance Tracker from Ansheets.com. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire template from start to finish. You'll learn how to set up your business, create KPIs, add team members, record weekly performance data, define performance targets, and use the interactive dashboards to monitor and evaluate both individual and team performance. This template is designed to automate most calculations and reporting. Simply enter your data into the designated input cells, and all charts, summaries, and dashboards will update automatically.
First is the Setup worksheet, where you'll configure all the essential information for your performance tracking system. In the Performance Indicators section, enter up to 5 KPIs you want to track, such as sales, completed orders, revenue, or any other metrics that are important to your business. You can also add a short description for each KPI to make them easier to identify and manage. The corresponding target sheets and performance sheets are automatically linked to each KPI you create. Next, in the Set Up Your Employees section, add your employees or departments. Set their status to active to include them in performance tracking, and optionally upload profile pictures and add comments. Once you've completed this worksheet, your system is fully set up and ready for you to start entering performance data.
Next is the Performance Tracker worksheet. This is the central dashboard where you can monitor your team's performance over time. You don't need to enter any data on this worksheet. All information is automatically generated from the data you've entered in the performance sheets and target sheets. On the left, you can customize several control options, including the KPI to analyze, current week, featured week, number of weeks displayed, trend chart color, and performance color threshold. The rest of the worksheet automatically displays key performance metrics, KPI achievement rates, target completion, performance trends, and detailed employee results. Simply adjust the control panel options to view your data from different perspectives. Next is the Performance Dashboard worksheet, which provides an interactive overview of each employee's performance. You don't need to enter any data on this worksheet. Simply select an employee from Please Select Employee and choose the KPI you want to analyze from Selected Performance Indicator. The dashboard will instantly update with all related metrics and charts. You'll be able to view the employee's achieved results, target values, KPI achievement percentage, as well as performance trends by month, year, and overall progress over time. This dashboard makes it easy to monitor individual performance, evaluate results, and quickly identify areas that may need improvement. Next is the EMP Details worksheet, where you can review and compare the performance of all employees across different time periods. You don't need to enter any data on this worksheet. Simply select the week you want to analyze and choose the performance indicator you want to view. The table will automatically update to display each employee's performance over the last 7 days, 4-week period, and yearly results. You'll also be able to compare each employee's target, actual performance, growth rate, and achievement percentage in one place. This worksheet provides a comprehensive overview of your team's performance, making it easy to identify top performers, spot areas that need improvement, and make more informed management decisions. Next are the Target Sheet 1 through Target Sheet 5 worksheets. Each worksheet corresponds to one KPI that you configured in the Setup page. Here, you'll enter the performance targets for each employee, from EMP1 to EMP100. Simply enter the target values for each week, and the template will automatically compare them with the actual performance data to calculate achievement rates throughout the reports and dashboards. If you're tracking only 1 or 2 KPIs, simply use the corresponding number of target sheets and leave the remaining sheets blank. Be sure to set realistic targets and update them whenever needed, as these values are used to evaluate both individual employee performance and your team's overall progress. Next are the Performance Sheet 1 through Performance Sheet 5 worksheets. Each worksheet corresponds to one KPI you configured in the Setup page. This is where you'll enter the actual performance data for your employees. Start by selecting the Date Start to define the first week of your tracking period. Then enter the actual performance values for each employee, from EMP1 to EMP100 for each week. Please note that you only need to edit the starting date. The remaining weekly dates will update automatically. Make sure your data is complete and accurate, as all reports, charts, and dashboards throughout the template are generated based on the information entered in these worksheets. Finally, we have the internal calculations worksheet. This sheet handles all of the calculations and data processing behind the scenes. You don't need to enter or edit anything on this worksheet. All formulas and calculations are generated automatically to power the reports, charts, and dashboards throughout the template. To ensure everything works correctly, simply leave this worksheet unchanged and enter your data only in the worksheets covered earlier in this tutorial.